Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to customize your Airtable view for better navigation. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, we're going to select the right view for your needs. Airtable offers grid, calendar, gallery, and Kanban views. Choose the one that suits your workflow best. The reason we do this is to ensure we're starting from a base that aligns with our needs. Now that we've done that, let's move on to customizing our selected view. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right of your screen, then select Customize View. This helps us because it allows us to tailor our Airtable to match our unique work style. Next, you'll see a sidebar full of customization options. This is where the magic happens. You can adjust filters, sort orders, hide fields, and more. Let me explain why this matters. By tweaking these settings, you're making your table more efficient and easier to navigate. The final step is to save your new view. Click on Done at the top right corner of the sidebar, and voila! Your custom view is now saved for future use. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is storing your preferences, so you'll have the same tailored experience every time you log in. And there you have it. With these steps, you've customized your Airtable view for better navigation. Remember, the key is to select the right view, customize it to your liking, and save your settings. This will ensure a seamless and efficient workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you next time.